What's up guys? Ganda nitong nakita kong post. It's basically asking if okay lang ba na mag-entertain ng iba or makipag-usap sa iba while you're on talking stage. So before anything else, define muna natin ano ba talaga yung talking stage. So yung talking stage is pretty much the gray area before the commitment. Gray area kasi it doesn't really have a clear rules. Hindi pa kayo officially together, so there's no exclusivity. Meron kayong consistent communication, nasa getting to know stage kayo, possibly merong flirting, possibly you go on dates, kumbaga meron ng emotional investment, and you're basically testing the compatibility nyong dalawa. So, hindi kayo couple, pero hindi rin kayo wala lang. So, the complication happens when one person thinks getting to know lang tayo, the other person thinks we're actually building something exclusive. So, should you entertain someone else while on talking stage? Technically, pwede naman talaga kasi hindi kayo exclusive. Morally, depende talaga sa setup at sa intentions. Importante dito yung intentions. Because talking stage is not yet a relationship. You're not automatically exclusive yet kahit na you're talking every day, you exchange good mornings, or you're sending memes at 2 a.m. Pero here's the deal. You can only entertain others if there's really no implied exclusivity, no misleading, and no emotional manipulation. What do I mean by this? You are acting exclusive kahit hindi naman. Alam nyo, from a woman's point of view, mas medyo risky ang talking stage kasi ang mga babae mas mabilis makakatch ng emotional inconsistencies. Tama, di ba? So kahit na everyday kayo nag-uusap, update kayo with each other, kapag nalaman ng isang babae na you're also entertaining other girls or other women, it can make us feel like we're just an option and we're like auditioning to be your girlfriend. Kung minsan naman, ang point of view ng mga lalaki, talking stage nga diba? No commitment, no ownership, no exclusivity, so talking lang talaga. There are guys who actually think na if they have not promised anything, they're supposedly allowed to meet other people until they both agree to be exclusive. And alam nyo, yung ibang mga lalaki, kaya rin they don't directly or avoid assuming exclusivity is because they don't want to look possessive, desperate, or controlling. Pero here's where it gets really, really messy. Once you start expecting